Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Drive folder structure for quick retrieval. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up a Google Drive folder structure for quick retrieval, begin by logging into your Google Drive account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus new button located on the left-hand side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Folder to create a new folder. Name your folder clearly and concisely to reflect its purpose. To create subfolders, double-click on your newly created folder to open it. Inside the folder, again click on the plus new button and choose Folder. Name the subfolder descriptively, related to the content it will hold. Repeat this process to create as many subfolders as you need for organization. Consider grouping related documents by common themes or projects to streamline retrieval. To make it easier to access frequently used folders, use the star feature. Simply right-click on the folder you want to prioritize and select Add to Start. This creates a quick access section in your Google Drive for important folders. You can also use color coding for your folders to visually differentiate them. Right-click on any folder and select Change Color from the menu. Choose a color that resonates with the folder's purpose to enhance organization. To maintain consistency, establish a naming convention for your folders and files. Stick to a format that everyone in your team understands, such as project name, date. Consider including version numbers in your files if revisions are common. Regularly review and clean up your folders to remove outdated or unnecessary files. Encourage your team to follow the same structure for uniformity and efficiency. By implementing these steps, you can ensure quick and easy retrieval of documents in Google Drive. With a well-organized folder structure, you'll save time and enhance productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.